Camping with kitties can be chaos, canopies that won't stay up, food that burns too presto, and the no way ending, I am wearied. Complaints. But moment, I am giving you 50 genius camping hacks that will make your coming family trip feel like a breath. These tricks are so good, they will make you feel like you are cheating. Let us dive in. Hack 1. Baby wipes are your stylish friend. Keep a pack in your roof for quick cleanups, sticky hands, dirty faces, indeed wiping down fun and games tables. They are a lifesaver when there is no handling water hard. Hack 2. Turn glow sticks into nightlights. Snap a gleam stick and drop it into a clear water bottle. Instant soft light for the roof, so kitties aren't spooked of the dark. Plus, it helps them find their way back if they need to go outdoors at night. Hack 3. Use pool poles to help trip hazards. Cut a pool pate and slide it over your roof ropes. No more kiddies, or grown-ups, tripping over lines in the dark. Hack 4. Make a movable handwashing station. Hang a flagon of water with a spout, add a pump cleaner dispenser, and let kids wash hands without wasting water. Tie a paper kerchief roll to a near tree for drying. Hack 5. Prep hotcake blend in a Ziploc bag. Mix flour, sugar, and incinerating grease paint in a bag before you leave. At camp, just add water, shake, and pour straight onto the griddle. No coliseums, no mess. Hack 6. Egg tinderbox fire starters. Fill an egg tinderbox with teetotaler fur and pour melted wax over it. Tear off one section when you need to start a fire, it burns long and steady. Hack 7. Organize camp kitchen tools in a shoe organizer. Hang a clear shoe organizer near your kitchen area. Use the pockets for implements, spices, matches, and small widgets. Everything stays visible and within reach. Hack 8. Turn a headlamp into a lantern. Strap a headlamp around a full water bottle with the light facing inward. The water diffuses the light, creating a soft glow for your roof or fun and games table. Hack 9. Antipode packet recipes for easy cuisine. Hash veggies, meat, and seasoning, wrap them in foil, and toss the packets on the fire. No pots to mite, and everyone gets their own custom mess. Hack 10. Bring a kiddo pool for little bones. Inflate a small pool and fill it with a lot of water. It keeps toddlers contained, cool, and entertained while you set up camp. Hack 11. Bug repellent irons. Soak yarn or fabric strips in lemonade oil painting and tie them around wrists and ankles. Natural, spray-safe bug protection all day long. Hack 12. Hands-free marshmallow riding. Stick a marshmallow on a chopstick, also press the chopstick handle into the ground near the fire. No more holding sticks for periods. Hack 13. Double tape recording fixes everything. Wrap conduit tape recording around a water bottle or trekking pole. Use it for quick gear repairs, sealing food bags, or indeed making a new girth in a pinch. Hack 14. Clothespins for chip bags. Crop chip bags, Atkins, or gear to lines or branches so they don't blow down or attract creatures. Hack 15. Pre-portion snacks. Divide snacks into small Ziploc bags before the trip. Kitties can snare their own without discovering the entire box of crackers. Hack 16. Always use a tarp under your roof. It keeps humidity out, adds sequestration, and protects the roof bottom from jewels and sticks. Fold the edges under, so rain doesn't pool on top. Hack 17. Snap water bottles for cooler ice. They last longer than regular ice, and you can drink the water as it melts. Hack 18. DIY camping restroom. Line a pail with a trash bag and add kitten waste. It is a lifesaver for night extremities or remote spots without installations. Hack 19. Use a pillowcase as a laundry bag. Toss dirty clothes outside and wash everything together when you get home. Hack 20. Solar lights as roof labels. Stick solar-powered theater lights into the ground near roof stakes. They will light up at night so no bone trips.
Hack 21. The ultimate marshmallow roaster. EK Essence. Fleece hanger, KO, straight or use NPAR helical shape banana. Ab ISP marshmallow. Lanka repast. Karen, ye traditional sticks, see Kai better. HA. Nunki heat distribute hot HAI. Unevenly, AUR marshmallow. Perfect golden brown. Hot HAI. Plus, handle long hone. C Heath. BHI. Nazi Malta. Hack 22. Toothpaste. Blotches for compact brushing, camping. PE. Jane. C. Peel toothpaste. KO. Small blotches. I form man adulation paper. PE. Lanka snap car can. Poke encounter karma ho to EK Fleck toothpaste. Isera use Karin. Yes space saving HAI or mess free BHI. Hack 23 DIY water filter emergency KE Life EK plastic bottle. KE nethermost cut are Usman layers banana. Peel cotton fur watercolor fur beach your last man clay. Dirty water Osman Dale sick lean water niche take GA. Sludge KO air bar use cane C peel pustule Karen. Hack 24 the no slip cup. Trick bacon KE mugs. Man rubber band serape are ANPE plastic serape cover Karen. Straw insert Karen. Ab drinks rabbi BHI slip. Nazi Hodge. Chase Automan ho ya campground PE. Hack 25 solar shower. Upgrade black color key trash bag plan. See charge hoop man reich dan. 2-3. Fate man natural warm shower. Ready. Osman small shower head attach our tree. See Lanka Dan for proper inflow. Hack 26. The 10 alternate fire starter. Cotton balls, KO Vaseline man dip are watertight vessel man store. Karen, fire launch cane. KE Life EK cotton ball. KO spark demo E23. Nanosecond take burn karma. Perfect for kindling wet wood. Hack 27 Bear proof food storage food particulars. KO airtight bags man pack are campground C 100 bases door rope C tree PE Lanka Dan. Food particulars KE beach. Man bell BHI band Dan. KOI beast disturb karma to bell bodega. Hack 28 the multi-purpose bandana. EK cotton babushka. Multiple trike CUs. Karen strainer pot holder. Dust mask, first aid girth, sweatband, ya fit signal device. KE room man. Always carry 2-3 redundant. Hack 29. Natural mosquito repellent. Lemongrass essential oil painting KO. Coconut oil painting. Man blend our skin PE Malayan. Ya chemical repellents see better HAI. AUR smell. BHI H high. Tent K Bihar. Lemongrass shops BHI. Lava sake main. Hack 30. The unbreakable mirror. Small compact glass. KO sword kip. Latte ya fit essence. Box KE. Adar. Fix cuttin. Ye Rabbi Nazi Ortega. Our exigency man signal. Heine KE Kama. BHI Cayuga. Hack 31. Instant coffee. Upgrade coffee. Grease paint KO small sludge papers. Manure measure our band Karin. Use cane. KE Life Bay's gram plan. Man dip. Karen, French press lies coffee without any outfit. Hack 32. The tarp secret tarp. KO, slanted position man. Malayan take rainwater duly drain hosake. Always use paracord, rather of regular rope. Nunki ye stretch. Nazi hot. AUR grip. Better hot. AI. Hack 33 Kitties Entertainment Kit. PVC pipes. KO Connect our movable play area banana. ISP fabric drapes. Car KE instant play. Roof bansake main ya fit handicap course. Produce car seke main. Hack 34. The perfect pillow clothes. KO dry bag man pack are use kerchief serape. Karine Moment Comfortable Pillow, Joe Leak-Proof BHI. Size. Acclimate Kane KE Life Clothes, add spread Karseke main. Hack 35. No. Slip Cutting Board, KE Knee Stamp Kerchief Spread, Karen. Ye-Board, KO, Slide Hone C Omega A, EUR Stable Face, Give Karma. Hack 36. The Ultimate Lantern Headlamp. KO, Plastic Milk Flagon, KE Neck, PE Swatch. Karen, Diffused Light. Milena Joe Pure Campground KO, Illuminate Karma without being too bright. Hack 37. Exigency, Whoosh. Water Bottle, KE Catman Small Hole Drill. Karine, Ye Grandly Pitched Exigency. Whoosh I, Sarah. Kama Karma, 3. Short, 3 long, 3 short blasts, SOS signal, KE Life. Hack 38, The Space Redeemer, Clothes KO, Rolling Cane. I Aj Vacuum Seal Bags, Manpack, Karen. Teatron 70 Take. Jag A Buchanan, A Your Clothes, Leak-Proof BHI Range. Hack 39, Natural First Aid Tea Tree. Oil painting mixed with aloe vera gel. Chose Cuts, AUR, Non-Entity Bites. KE Life, Perfect Natural Remedy, HAI. Small Vessel Man, Carrie, Karen. Hack 40. The No Tangle, Hack Ropes. AUR Cables. KO Restroom Paper Rolls, PE Serape Karen, Rabbi BHI Entangled Nazi Hodge. AUR Fluently Identifiable Range. Hack 41, Solar Charging Station, Car Dashboard PE. Small Solar Panel Reich Car, Power Bank Charge. Karen Full Day, Sunman, Sufficient Power Shop, Cayuga Phones, Charge Cane, KE Life. Hack 42, The Perfect Kindling Wine Corks, KO Alcohol, Man Soak Our Store. Karen, Fire Starter. I, Sarah Use, Karen. EK Cork, 5-7 nanosecond take, Burn Karma. Hack 43, Odor-Free Shoes, Baking Soda Pop, KO Small Fabric Bags. Man Charge Shoes, KE Adar Reich, Dan. Smell Control Karma, AUR Humidity, BHI Absorb Karma. Hack 44, The Rainy Day Hack Tent, KE Bihar Small, Fossey Dig, Karen. Water Divert Cane, KE Life. Always dig Fossey before rain thresholds. Hack 45, The Ultimate Cooler, KO Wet Kerchief. Sec over Karen. Evaporation Cooling Effect Temperature, 10 to 15 degree take, Reduce Karsega. Hack 46. No Mess Seasonings, KO Small Applicable Squeeze Bottles, Man Transfer. Karen Easy to Use. AUR Rabbi Leak, Nazi Hodge. Hack 47, The Perfect Firewood, Dead Wood, I Aj Standing Dead Tree, Ska Use Karen. Ye Aldi and Kindle Hot, I. AUR Kamen Bomb Karma. Hi. Hack 48, The Nighttime Path, Solar Theater Lights KO. Campground KE Main Paths, PE Malayan, Ray F KO Safe Movement, KE Life, Perfect Lighting. Hack 49. The Each Purpose Tool. Multi-Tool KO Always Belt Pokeman Carry Karen Pliers, Cutter, Screwdriver, SAB, EK Swath Available. Hack 50. The Memory Maker, EK Disposable Camera Kitties. KO Dedan, UNH, Film, Landline. Key, Maya, Cayuga, AUR Capo Camping, I Beautiful Recollections Mileage.